Hello guys and welcome to Epic Mentorship. In today's video, I want to share with you how to change the language in UC browser. As you all know, UC browser is a very fantastic browser that you can use to do all sort of browsing. I've made a video on how to download and install UC browser. I'll keep the link in the description if you need it to download and install for yourself. But if you have it installed on your computer, let me show you how you can change the language to any language of your choice so you can operate very nicely and peacefully and even comfortably. To start with, all you need to do is to come to these three horizontal lines. You click on them. You can come to settings over here and you'll come to other. Okay, so once you get to general, you can see a bunch of things, but for this case you should just come to the left. You can see general, tabs, address bar, acceleration, mouse gestures, and you come all the way down to other. Okay, you just click on other and you come all the way down to languages. So you click on languages. You can see the default setting at the moment is English United States, so you can add another language. You click to add. You can see Afrikaans, you can see other bunch of languages. For now, let's say we are going with English United Kingdom. You can select English United Kingdom, for example. You click on OK, and you can once you click on this, you can display UC browser in this language. So let's say we select this, and this becomes the default language. And once you close this and restart the browser, you're going to see it will take this language as the default language, which is English United Kingdom. So we say done, and let's close it and reopen it again. Okay, so let's try to reopen UC browser, and you can see it has taken effect. So let's try to check to confirm whether it's English United Kingdom. We come to settings, come to other. Okay, so you can see right now English United Kingdom UC browser is displayed in this language. So you can see it's now the default language. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, feel free to add any language that you know how to use during your browsing, and you can easily adopt it over here. So you can add it on your UC browser. So if you like this video or you enjoy it in any way, please remember to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to always hit the like and subscribe buttons to stay connected to this channel for more of our very useful videos. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.